With inflation and the cost of living being real high in the United States, there are states that are giving out inflation checks and tax rebates that's available now. And in this video, I'm going to share 6 states that has money available, and some are issuing them out at this time as we speak. And many do have deadlines that you must put in your application. And if you know of any other programs outside of the states that I mentioned, please drop it in the comment section to help others as a community. So if you're new to this channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, subscribe to this channel. And if you go to my website, you can download this free heart inquiry removal package, and the link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. Now, the first state is going to be New Jersey, my home state that I came from. They're actually sending out checks starting September 15th. So they're actively going out now. And here's the details of that program. So now the next state on our list is New Jersey. The Anchor program is for eligible homeowners and renters who meet income and residency requirements, are eligible for property tax relief payments. Payment amounts: New Jersey homeowners with income of $150,000 or less will receive $1,500. New Jersey homeowners with income of more than $150,000 and up to $250,000 will receive $1,000. New Jersey resident renters with income of $150,000 or less will receive $450. Application deadline to apply for the Anchor program is October 31st, 2025. New Jersey also offers a program for seniors. State New Jersey is a property tax relief for senior citizens. The state New Jersey program offers property tax benefit to eligible homeowners age 65 and older. It reimburses applicants for 50% of their property tax bills up to a maximum of $13,000 with a 2024 benefit cap of $6,500. To qualify, you must have owned and lived in your home for the full 12 months of 2024 and have an income below $500,000. If you made pilot payments to your municipality, you are eligible for the state New Jersey benefit. Mobile homeowners are not eligible. State benefits are calculated after Anchor and senior freeze benefits are determined. Payments are expected to be issued in early 2026. The next state on my list is New York. New York has an inflation refund check, and it's for the years of 2025 through 2026. The New York state budget provides for states first time ever inflation refund checks. These one-time payments provide relief to New Yorkers who have paid increased sales tax due to inflation. If you qualify for a payment, you do not need to do anything. We will automatically send you a check. Checks will be mailed over the period of several weeks starting at the end of September 2025. Am I eligible? You are eligible for a refund check if for tax year 2023 you filed a form IT-201 New York State resident income tax return, report income within qualifying thresholds below, and were not claimed as a dependent on another tax return. The amount of your refund check depends on your income and filing status for 2023 tax year. Single filers 75,000 or less will receive $200, more than 75,000, but not more than 150,000, $150. Married filing joint 150,000 or less, $400, more than 150,000, but not more than 300,000, $300. Married filing separate, 75,000 or less, $200, more than 75,000, but not more than 150,000, $150. Head of household, $75,000 or less, $200, more than $75,000, but not more than 150,000, $150. Qualifying surviving spouse, 150,000 or less, $400, more than 150,000, but not more than 300,000, $300. Now, when will I get my check? We will begin mailing refund checks to eligible taxpayers at the end of September 2025. Over 8 million New Yorkers will receive refunds, and this large volume of checks will be mailed over multiple week period. You may receive your check sooner or later than your neighbors, as mailing are not based on zip code or region. We cannot provide a specific delivery schedule, and our contact center representatives will not have additional information on the status of your check. So watch your mailbox for the check that looks like this. The next state on the list is Colorado. is distributing the TABOR refunds, with single filers potentially receiving up to $565 and joint filers up to $1,130 based on a $1.5 billion fiscal surplus. To be eligible, residents must have filed their 2024 Colorado income tax return and meet other criteria outlined by the state. Eligibility requirements: residency must have been a Colorado resident for the entire year. Tax compliance: must have filed a 2024 Colorado individual income tax return or a 2024 property tax, rent, heat, PTC rebate application by October 15th, 2025. Age: must be 18 years or older. Continuous residency: must have resided in Colorado for at least 183 days during the fiscal year. Legal status: should not have any outstanding tax debts or criminal convictions resulting in imprisonment of 180 days or more during the fiscal year. Income limits: while the exact income limits for the refunds are still being determined, it is anticipated that single filers with an adjusted gross income of $75,000 or less and joint filers with a AGI of $150,000 or less will be eligible for the full refund. Next is Georgia. Thanks to a hefty state surplus, Georgia residents can expect a decent tax refund this year. Eligible residents who filed their 2023 and 2024 tax returns by May 1st or by October 15, 2025, with a valid extension can expect $250 for single filers, $375 for head of households, or $500 for married filing jointly. There's no application process. If you filed your taxes during a year, that rebate is issued and you'll automatically receive the payment. The next state is Pennsylvania. The Pennsylvania property tax rent rebate can put up to $1,000 back in your pocket. To qualify, you must be 65 years of age or older, a widow or a widower age 50 or older, or an adult with disabilities. The application deadline has been extended to December 31st, 2025, but it's recommended to apply as soon as possible if you haven't already. Funds are limited and high demand could cause delays. The Pennsylvania property tax and rent rebate is designed to provide property tax relief for eligible homeowners and renters. Some eligible Pennsylvania residents may receive up to $1,500 in property tax payments. The application deadline for the Pennsylvania property tax rebate is in December 2025. Next state is Virginia. Like some other states, Virginia takes pride in returning surplus funds to its residents. Single filers can receive $200 and married couples can get up to $400. However, your taxes must be filed by November 3rd, 2025 to qualify, assuming your extension was granted. Keep in mind that any rebate will be limited to the resident's state tax liability. You cannot receive more than you paid. Still, every dollar helps. Now, hopefully, if you are in these states, please take advantage because many of these have deadlines and they have certain requirements that go along with these programs, but this can help give some much needed relief in this time to many people, and this can help also pay off debts or at least put some extra food in your refrigerator, especially if you have a family to support. And if you know of other programs in other cities or states, please let us know in the comments section so this information can be shared with other people. This is a time that people are economically struggling, and sometimes the information that they need is the only thing that stands the difference between them surviving or maybe going without food, with all these programs being cut back on. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed questions for me, go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.